First, let's import an image to Illustrator CC 2018. Adjust its size. Go to View, Show Transparency Grid. Now you will be able to see transparent areas. Go to Window, Workspace, Tracing. On the right panel, press Image Trace. Under Mode, select Color. Press Advanced, and select Ignore White. Press on Trace. Now it's a vector object. Click the Expand button to finalize the trace and expand your image into a fully editable vector image. Double-click an object in order to move or manipulate it. On the top, click the color artwork to change its color. All done. Please subscribe.